Hello everybody, and so today I'm going to be playing Catbird. Now I've already played this game before, so I'm just going to do a little demo of it. So this is Marta, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've already gotten to, so the 13th level, but I haven't passed it yet. So I'm just going to start with level 1. So it's a little catbird, and it's white, and it's very cute in my opinion. You also have to try to collect the crowns. I think it's a very fun game. Also, if you're like on the road somewhere or anything like that, it's a fun game to play. Like I forgot how to play it. There we go. Take the key and jump on. Ooh, that was close. Oh no! I guess I didn't think it through. Oh! Sorry if there's a little bit of like fuzziness or anything like that. That's just me moving around. I'm gonna go collect the crown first. And then I'm gonna jump off. And then I'll go. And then I'll go over to here. And voila! I forgot how to do this one. Oh no. There we go.